Listen carefully, because this might save your life. Bharat NCAP crash tests just revealed something terrifying. The cars we proudly drive every day, some of them crumple like paper in a real accident. A 64 km/h crash, and the cabin collapses. Airbags, too late. Seatbelts, not enough. All because for years we bought cars based on mileage, sunroof, touchscreen, not safety. But now, Bharat NCAP is exposing brands. Some companies are upgrading fast, others are hoping you won't notice. So tell me, would you rather buy a 5-star lifesaver or a 0-star coffin on wheels?